Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first thing we want to do is to make sure that our WhatsApp is up to date. So we're going to go to our App Store or the Play Store if you're using Android. So we're going to go to the App Store and look for WhatsApp. So as you can see, our WhatsApp is not up to date, and that's why the update button is there. So we're going to click on update. Great. So now we have our WhatsApp updated and it's ready to be opened. We're going to go ahead and open our WhatsApp. And now we can see here in our WhatsApp that Meta AI is right here at the top of the chat. We can see Meta AI is finally installed on WhatsApp and you can use it to do anything you want. It's also important to note that Meta is still rolling out these updates. So if you don't have Meta AI after these steps, you just have to keep checking because Meta has promised to keep this rollout going across different countries and different devices in the days to come. Also, if you look at the top right corner of your WhatsApp, you're going to see another Meta AI icon. Now, when you tap on this icon, it's going to take you to the main screen of the Meta AI. When you get to the main screen of the Meta AI, you're not going to see your chat. You're just going to see the option to ask it questions. And there you could ask it anything and get to use your Meta AI on WhatsApp. So this is how to get Meta AI in WhatsApp.